Dreaming of a brighter, whiter smile without the dentist chair price tag? At-home whitening kits promise dramatic results, but they're not all the same. Should you choose the viral brand, the fast-acting formula, or the one made for sensitivity? Today, we're comparing 3 popular kits to reveal which one truly delivers. Welcome back to Top 3 Compared. I'm your host, Misha. A big welcome to our newest community member, and big shout out to Mud Flanagan and everyone supporting this channel. We are truly happy to have you. Today, we're putting the viral Snow Kit, the fast MySmile Kit, and the OLLM Sensitivity Focused Teeth Whitening Kit for sensitive tooth under the spotlight. We'll break down ingredients, technology, treatment time, and who each one is really for. Let's find your brightest smile. First, the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. This is the viral, tech-centric choice. Its signature is the reusable wired LED mouthpiece that you apply their proprietary serum to. The key ingredient is hydroxyapatite, a mineral also found in your teeth, which aims to whiten while being gentle on enamel. The kit is designed as a complete system. The wired mouthpiece ensures consistent power, and it comes with enough whitening serum for 2 months of treatment. It's a premium-priced, all-in-one solution focused on a modern, integrated experience over speed. Choose the Snow Kit if you want a tech-forward, system-based approach with a gentle, enamel-friendly ingredient, hydroxyapatite, and are okay with a longer treatment arc. Next, the MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit is for those who want noticeable results quickly. Its formula is based on carbamide peroxide, a powerful whitening agent. It promises a fast, 10-minute treatment time per session. The kit includes a reusable LED light and 3 substantial syringes of whitening gel, often at varying strengths like 35%, offering strong whitening power for stains from coffee, wine, or smoking. It's a straightforward, potent kit focused on efficiency and impact. Choose the MySmile Kit if your priority is a powerful, fast-acting treatment to tackle tough stains and you want to see quick, dramatic results. Finally, the OLLM Teeth Whitening Kit for sensitive tooth. This kit is specifically formulated for those who experience discomfort with traditional whiteners. While it also uses a powerful 35% carbamide peroxide gel, it's designed to be gentler. It often includes potassium nitrate or other soothing agents to help minimize sensitivity. The application is versatile, using easy-to-control whitening gel pens and a compact 32x LED light. This kit is ideal if you've been hesitant to whiten due to sensitive teeth or gums, but still want an effective, professional-strength result. Choose this kit if you have sensitive teeth and need a powerful whitening formula that's specifically engineered to reduce discomfort and irritation during treatment. Let's check out our category winners. They are: Best for a gentle, system-based approach, Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. Best for fast, powerful stain removal, MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit. Best for sensitive teeth, OLLM Teeth Whitening Kit. So, which should you choose? Choose the Snow Kit if you value a modern, all-in-one system and want to prioritize enamel health with a gentler ingredient over several weeks. Choose the MySmile Kit if you have tough stains and want the strongest, fastest possible at-home results without sensitivity concerns. Choose the OLLM Sensitive Tooth Kit if past whitening treatments have caused you pain, but you still want a professional strength gel that's formulated to be kinder to your nerves. And that's how you brighten your decision. One of these kits holds the key to a more confident smile. We've linked all the kits in the description so you can check the latest offers and see which formula is right for you. If this comparison helped you smile, a quick like really helps the channel. Subscribe to Top 3 Compared and join the family, and let us know in the comments which shade of white you're going for.